hot water in Tasikmalaya. Daily temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. Tasikmalaya is Japan today, Thursday, Jan 12, 2025. The water in Tasikmalaya is predicted to be sunny with clouds with a fairly high daily temperature according to the water process. The high temperature is expected to reach 29 degrees Celsius, while to the lowest temperature is around 22 degrees Celsius. Tasikmalaya residents and addicts to maintain their health and avoid direct sunlight. When doing outdoor activity, make sure to bring enough drinking water and wear clothes that are approved of the water.